The concept of a conscious universe suggests that the cosmos is not merely a collection of inert matter, but rather a living, thinking force that embodies awareness and intelligence. This idea challenges traditional views of the universe as a mechanical entity, inviting us to explore the profound implications for humanity. At the intersection of science and spirituality, this perspective encourages a deeper understanding of consciousness, suggesting that our thoughts and actions are interconnected with the fabric of the universe itself. This transformative potential can inspire us to rethink our relationship with the world around us, promoting a more harmonious existence. By embracing the idea of a conscious universe, we open ourselves to new possibilities for personal and collective growth, encouraging a shift in how we perceive reality. This perspective not only enriches our understanding of existence, but also empowers us to engage with the universe in a more meaningful way, ultimately leading to a more compassionate and enlightened society. Throughout history, consciousness has often been regarded as a perplexing problem to solve, captivating the minds of philosophers, scientists, and thinkers alike. From ancient philosophical inquiries to modern scientific explorations, the nature of consciousness has sparked debates about its essence and origin. Key figures such as David Chalmers have significantly contributed to this discourse, particularly with his formulation of the hard problem of consciousness. Chalmers distinguishes between the easy problems, which involve understanding cognitive functions, and the hard problem, which addresses why and how subjective experiences arise from physical processes in the brain. This distinction highlights the profound challenge of explaining the qualitative aspects of consciousness, what it feels like to experience emotions, sensations, and thoughts. The significance of the hard problem lies in its implications for our understanding of reality and the mind-body relationship, prompting questions about the nature of existence itself. As we explore these philosophical dimensions, we confront the limitations of current scientific paradigms and the need for a more integrated approach that encompasses both empirical research and philosophical inquiry, ultimately enriching our understanding of consciousness and its role in the human experience. By introducing a clear separation between subjective and objective realities, Galileo emphasized the importance of empirical observation and mathematical reasoning, advocating for a scientific approach that prioritized measurable phenomena over personal experience. This separation had profound consequences for the study of consciousness, as it led to a focus on objective data while often neglecting the rich, subjective aspects of human experience. By prioritizing observable facts, Galileo inadvertently created a framework that marginalized the inner workings of the mind, resulting in a significant blind spot in our understanding of consciousness. This oversight has persisted through the centuries, as many scientific inquiries into consciousness have continued to emphasize external measurements, often overlooking the qualitative dimensions of subjective experience. Consequently, the complexity of human consciousness remains inadequately addressed, leaving a gap in our comprehension of what it truly means to be aware. As we reflect on Galileo's legacy, it becomes clear that a more holistic approach, integrating both objective and subjective perspectives, is essential for a comprehensive understanding of consciousness and the intricacies of human experience. Contemporary scientific theories regarding consciousness have evolved significantly, with integrated information theory, or IIT, emerging as a prominent framework. Proposed by neuroscientist Giulio Tononi, IIT posits that consciousness corresponds to the capacity of a system to integrate information. This theory suggests that consciousness is not merely a byproduct of complex neural processes, but rather a fundamental property of the universe itself. According to IIT, systems that can combine information in a unified manner possess a degree of consciousness, implying that consciousness may exist in varying forms across different entities, from humans to potentially even simpler systems. This perspective challenges traditional views by proposing that consciousness is not exclusive to biological organisms, but is instead a pervasive aspect of reality. The implications of this theory extend beyond neuroscience, inviting us to reconsider the interconnectedness of consciousness and reality. If consciousness is indeed a fundamental property, it suggests that our awareness is intricately linked to the fabric of the universe, shaping our perception of existence. The relationship between quantum physics and consciousness has sparked intriguing discussions, particularly through the lens of the observer effect. This phenomenon suggests that the act of observation can influence the behavior of quantum particles, leading to the conclusion that reality may not be as fixed as it appears. When a particle is observed, it seems to collapse into a definite state, implying that consciousness plays a crucial role in shaping reality. This raises profound questions about the nature of existence and the extent to which consciousness may influence the behavior of particles at a fundamental level. Some theorists propose that consciousness is not merely a passive observer, but an active participant in the unfolding of reality. This idea resonates with ancient spiritual traditions, which often emphasize the interconnectedness of all things and the role of human awareness in shaping the universe. Many Eastern philosophies, for instance, suggest that consciousness is a fundamental aspect of the cosmos, echoing the notion that our perceptions and intentions can impact the material world. By exploring these connections, we begin to see a fascinating convergence between modern scientific inquiry and age-old spiritual wisdom, inviting a deeper understanding of consciousness and its profound implications for reality. The idea of interconnectedness in the universe can be beautifully illustrated through the analogy of tree roots. Just as the roots of a tree spread out beneath the surface, intertwining and connecting with those of other trees, individual awareness can be seen as unique branches of a vast shared consciousness. Each person's thoughts and intentions act like nutrients flowing through these roots, influencing not only their own growth but also the health of the entire ecosystem. This interconnectedness emphasizes that our thoughts and intentions have a tangible impact on the universe, shaping the reality we collectively experience. When we cultivate positive thoughts and intentions, we contribute to a more harmonious and vibrant cosmic system. Conversely, negative thoughts can create discord, highlighting the importance of mindfulness in our daily lives. Recognizing our role in this intricate web of existence fosters a sense of responsibility and connection to others and the world around us. By understanding that we are all part of a larger whole, we can begin to appreciate the profound influence we have on the universe and the importance of nurturing our awareness for the benefit of all. This perspective encourages a more compassionate and unified approach to life. Understanding consciousness can profoundly impact our daily lives, offering valuable insights into how we navigate our experiences. Practices like meditation and gratitude serve as powerful tools for enhancing our awareness and fostering a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. Meditation allows us to quiet the mind, promoting clarity and emotional balance, while cultivating gratitude shifts our focus toward the positive aspects of life, enhancing overall well-being. Research shows that engaging in these practices can lead to increased resilience, reduced stress, and improved mental health. Furthermore, positive emotions have a significant influence on personal experiences, shaping our perceptions and interactions. When we approach life with a positive mindset, we are more likely to attract uplifting experiences and foster meaningful relationships. Encouraging viewers to notice connections in their daily lives can amplify these benefits. By recognizing the interplay between thoughts, emotions, and experiences, individuals can cultivate a greater sense of agency and purpose. This awareness not only enriches personal experiences but also fosters a sense of interconnectedness with others, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and harmonious existence. Embracing this understanding of consciousness can transform how we engage with the world, enhancing our overall quality of life. Embracing a conscious perspective is essential for personal growth and a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. Recognizing oneself as part of a conscious universe fosters a profound sense of connection to all living beings and the environment. This awareness encourages us to reflect on our choices and intentions, prompting us to consider how our actions resonate within the larger cosmic tapestry. By acknowledging that our thoughts and behaviors contribute to the collective consciousness, we can cultivate a greater sense of responsibility for our impact on the world. This reflection can lead to transformative changes in our lives as we become more mindful of how we interact with others and the environment. The potential for personal transformation through awareness is immense, As we deepen our understanding of consciousness, we unlock the ability to shift our perspectives, embrace empathy, and foster compassion. This journey of self-discovery not only enhances our individual experiences, but also contributes to a more harmonious and interconnected world. By encouraging viewers to adopt this conscious perspective, we empower them to take charge of their lives, make intentional choices, and ultimately create a positive ripple effect that benefits both themselves and the universe at large. In summary, we have explored the multifaceted nature of consciousness and its profound relationship with the universe. We discussed the concept of a conscious universe, highlighting how our individual awareness is interconnected with a greater cosmic consciousness. The significance of practices like meditation and gratitude was emphasized, showcasing their ability to enhance our awareness and foster positive emotions that influence our daily experiences. We also examined the impact of recognizing our interconnectedness, encouraging reflection on our choices and intentions, which can lead to personal transformation. As we conclude, it's essential to remember that embracing this conscious perspective not only enriches our lives, but also contributes to a more harmonious world. We invite you to engage with this content further. If you found these ideas inspiring, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and explore related content that delves deeper into consciousness and interconnectedness. Your engagement helps us create a community dedicated to understanding and exploring these vital concepts. Together, we can foster a greater awareness of our roles in the universe and inspire positive change in ourselves and the world around us. Thank you for joining us on this journey.